What's up, traders? Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about UNCY, which was such a sketchy little wiki ticker. I'm sure you guys thought the same when you were trading it. Now, I finished trading today pre-market because it's a Monday, and if you look at the news, you'll see here this week ahead, Hell Week on Wall Street. This is from the Morning Brew. There's just a lot going on right now. They say potential landmines for the stock market. One of them is the jobs report on Friday. We have unemployment numbers, which are continuing to rise, strength in the labor markets, which could lead to more interest rates. Another key event is JP testifying on Capitol Hill, where he's talking about the debt ceiling crisis. So there's a lot going on. And if we go to trendingeconomics.com calendar for this week, you also see Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, all stuff dropping, not to mention earnings. So I figured, hey, it's a Monday, let's take our profits and wrap it up as soon as possible. So here's a bit of the bird's eye view with UNCY. This ticker, big first green day here, and it's over the 180 SMA. I really like to see that. We broke through some major resistance zone all the way towards this former support around 170. We almost ripped all the way up to that. So that was really strong. The volume here is really nice. Plus it has a catalyst, which is always good to see that. It's a biotech, 50 million shares outstanding and 20 million market cap. So it takes all the check boxes that we're usually looking for. And if we go to the 4 hour, you can still see it's holding the highs really well. I didn't trade this one at the market open, and this is where I stopped trading for the day. I'll show you guys a clip where I'm talking about UNCY and kind of my thoughts on it in real time. But it was just a really wiki ticker, and I was kind of happy to lock in profits while I was still green. I missed the initial pop on this ticker, and then I did a little bit of range trading here, which was kind of tricky. I thought it was actually moving higher because we had some 5-minute breakouts, 1-minute pullbacks, kind of classic setups. Those didn't work out. I tried again here and I started taking profits a lot quicker. That allowed me to get green on the ticker, and I basically kept on doing the same. I was never really looking for that big pop. I think I got this pop with some smaller size, but I had no big winner. And you'll see here I was trading very small size on this ticker today, so I'm actually up like 15 to 20% today based on my average position size, which is a really good green day. Usually like a 5% green day based on my average size is pretty good, and a 10% is like borderline home run. So today I actually nailed it on UNCY, and just taking a lot of base hits. Because this ticker was so wiki, you really did not want to top tick this ticker because you'd be right back down again. You know, if you were buying here, you might be up slightly and then all of a sudden you're down 6%, where you should be, you know, cutting losses, and it'd be very scary averaging down in those positions because you could just really lose it. Like here, for example, where it pulls back, and then if you're averaging down here, all of a sudden you're down a lot. So I found UNCY was a really good ticker to just be really quick, take your profits. You know, it's a Monday. The SPY, for whatever reason, is absolutely exploding, and everything just feels a little bit sketchy. Plus, with this kind of filled macro schedule, I figured, hey, let's just be really risk averse today and not look for any home run trades, and that really paved the way for me. What I would like to see for UNCY to be a multi-capper is us to really hold the highs above this former first leg. So we went from right down here, 50 cents, all the way to about $1.20 or so. It's about 150% gap, which is absolutely crazy. And there's a lot of volume here as well. And now we're kind of holding this high, which is really good to see. I would like to see this ticker get back above VWAP and start trending higher again for a potential second green day. And also, when I look at the daily chart, I see this ticker, every time it pops up, it doesn't really hold it, and it's just kind of in one big sell-off ever since their IPO. So I'm a little bit nervous of the fact that, you know, this ticker popped up today. I feel like there's a lot of people that might be trying to take their profits. So I'd be a little bit nervous about trying to look for continuation on UNCY at this point. Plus, I feel like biotechs don't have the greatest continuation as opposed to, let's say, a hot sector play. Unless that biotech is a sector play like we saw with COVID tickers back in 2020. For now, there is a higher low forming, so that is a good sign. But for me, I won't be trading it for now. Let me know your thoughts and how you did on UNCY below. Here's some of my live trading on UNCY today. Ticker's definitely in play. Looks like it could definitely break out of 124. Again, I don't want to buy this ticker too high. Let's see if we can get that breakout. Very small size. Yeah, this is really why you don't want to top tick this ticker. Maybe we'll get that move Let's see it. Momentum's definitely... Alright, I'm out. Small win there. Just tiny size, but worth it. It has these big wicks that you just almost never get filled on. It's super weird. Looking for that 9 EMA retest. We also have big 5-minute support here. Could easily keep rallying. I mean, volume's increasing. Oh, there it goes. I mean, overall, it's looking pretty healthy. It's maybe move back to 24. Still a lot of buyers. Let's see if we can get that quick pullback. A lot of support here. Oof, blow off top. 5 minutes extended, but we got support line coming in. A lot of nice moves on this one. In terms of holding it a lot better than I would have expected. Oh wait, now we're crawling back the backside a little bit, but I don't know. It feels like it already found support. Just gonna be patient. If you just go down a little bit more. I mean, it was such a strong run right now. It's tempting to want to jump in it, but at the same time, I think you have to let it pull back just a little bit more first. If this fills, it looks like it's going to hold. Here we go. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to break that 500. It might be a... I thought it was going to be a neutral trade there. Slow. Gotta watch out with this move because it's ripping on pretty much no volume. This is most likely just going to be an ABC setup. I just don't know if we're going to get any sort of continuation. So I'm looking only to enter near bigger support. Otherwise, no way. No thank you. All right, looking for probably one of my last trades on UNCY. Slowly getting filled here. Big pullback. I'm still thinking we might see an ABC and then a failed move. We'll see what happens. It's kind of my thesis. Didn't get the last fill I was hoping for. It's interesting that I didn't look at MACD basically at all. Stalled pretty heavy. Just need that last push. Could rip really quickly higher because it wants to get a lot of people on the wrong side. So I was thinking about maybe closing some and seeing how much it can run. Yeah, see, I was kind of expecting something like this. Boom, boom, boom. But I'd be closing out right now. I had no way I would be holding. So I sold, 2-3 cents too early, which makes a big difference. Gotta be careful. This could come right back down. I still think it's gonna be a failed breakout. Yeah, so far it's failing. Nice, I was totally dialed in on that one. Should have let some of my profits run, and I never used big size. So today I'm up like over 10% based on my average position size, which is really, really good. I think I'll go ahead and call it here. If you want to see the full recordings, all you have to do is go to my YouTube channel, and you'll see all the live trading streams and recordings here. Like always, guys, stay safe and make some awesome trades.